Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change the text size on your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, there are a couple of ways in which you can do this, and the first way is going to be changing your font style. So let's go over into the styles window really quickly. Click on fonts, and here you can choose whichever font you would like, but we're going to go into this arrow menu, and here, as you can see, you can choose the base size. This is going to pretty much be the base size or the default size of all your text, and depending on the element, it's going to be scaled up or down from this size depending on what you're trying to do. As you can see, the maximum is 24 pixels, so I'll just keep it at that. Click save, and now that text has changed in size. Now, there is also a different way you can do this. If we could click edit on the page that we want to change, as you'll see, we have this text right over here, and this text is, I'm pretty sure, scaled up to the text box. It looks like it isn't, but as you can see, we can click this button to scale it up, and it's going to make it bigger or smaller depending on the box. Now, you can also change the size and shape of the box, and it's going to change the layout of the text and the size as well. And you can also choose whether you want it to be a heading, a paragraph, or whatever, and it's going to change the shape and size of the text as well. Now, you can do that, and that is pretty much all I can think of. Those are some of the ways in which you can change the size of the text. You might have other options depending on what sort of text you're using, depending if you're using buttons or not, but that is basically all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.